Hey, good morning, everyone. It's me, it's Brian. It's Friday, September 26th. This is Pray Trade Repeat on TikTok and Brian Kelty on YouTube. So look at what we're looking at, guys. I wanted to jump on here. It's now 7:55 a.m. and we have confirmation. Basically, we have liftoff. This is 63 cents and climbing. I'm on my second cup of coffee. I slept in a little too late today. Look at this thing. Giant green candle. And this is a 15-minute candle. It broke through the previous resistance from September 8th, which was, I think, a Monday. That was Monday, September 8th. So we have this monster green candle. So this is huge. Let's see, where is my zoom in? And trying to get you a better look at this chart because I know you're far away. And then we'll just keep taking a look at this chart. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna zoom it in for you guys. I'm gonna bring the camera over here because I look like shit anyway. And we're gonna watch this happen. You know what would be really cool would be if I could figure out how to do live. I'm such a lame dude when it comes to that. All right, so here's our chart. It looks beautiful. I think I'm catching a cold or something. So, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:56 a.m.
7:56 a.m. Los Angeles, California. We have a massive liftoff. Okay, this is like a SpaceX rocket ship happening right now. Hopefully my mic is working and you guys can hear me. It's pretty incredible to look at this, to see something like this. This is, look, it just busted through my long-term trend line. So I'm able now to help you guys take a look at this. Let's see, let me get all this extra stuff out of the way. Get all that. Okay, so now we're just like, dude. So that 15-minute candle that just exploded, this thing right here, look at this, is now, has 2 minutes and 38 seconds left in it. I'm just gonna post a quick rocket ship. I love to do this for everybody that's watching any of my stuff. Well, now you guys are gonna find out who I am on StockTwits.
Playing from Brian's Mac Mini.
Add to photos. And then this. I said 5 minutes ago in my post that I thought that this was gonna be, we're gonna end the day at 65 cents. Right now it looks like we're gonna do a lot better than that. And we're gonna put that there. And just gonna let everybody know that's the 15-minute. 15-minute. There we go. Just busted through the trend line. Bam. I'm gonna go to Twitter. I'm gonna post one of these over here because I do the play-by-play. If you guys haven't noticed, my Twitter is my name, Brian Kelty. If you guys haven't seen my Twitter, boom, there it is. And we're off. That's what they used to say back in my day. You kids don't understand what I'm talking about. And we're off. And I'm gonna put the hashtag IXHL, and then we can go back to talking about the stock IXHL. Okay, boom, and then put at InConnects. Let those guys know that we're watching. And I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this the buyback? Is that what's happening right now? I'm not sure why that's not. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave it at that because I want to get back to the chart. Okay, boom. Back to the chart. Here we go. Let's see if we have any SEC files. We come here to our Edgar company search, sec.gov, Edgar. Go like this. August 26th is the latest 8K. So no update for it on the. Am I sitting in front of the camera? No update from the company on any conference call or anything yet, unless you guys know about it. Please, if you do, put it in the chat if you know anything. I don't know. So then we're back to the chart, and have a confirmed rocket ship. That's a 15-minute candle. This is a 15-minute candle. So I am now gonna mark out that candle. The original 15-minute candle, as you can see, is this. And you take, was this original one here, it had like, 60 cents and 59 cents, right? These, so we blew past this, and now what we're looking to do is go past Tuesday's high. This is Tuesday's high, so I'm gonna mark that out for you guys. Boom. Tuesday high of day, bing, and we got a little bit of a ready. It's okay, pullback's normal. And what we're gonna do though is I'm gonna mark out this box. Oh God, don't get all the way. Why did it always do that? It's okay, it's all right. It's 15-minute candle, meaning it has a lot of action in it, right? Like for instance, here's the 5-minute chart. Sorry about my voice today, guys. Look at the 5-minute chart. You got 3. These are the look at this. 2 giant bullish candles trading above the VWAP, breaking trend lines. We're flying, guys. This is a hammerhead, which means that the next candle is most likely going to be green. Okay, when you see a hammerhead like that, let me see if I can. So this basically what's happening with this red candle right now is that it's trying to basically, buying and selling. It's trying to. There's a lot of people selling right now because they're the morons. Well, I can't say that. That's not true. They're not morons for day trading. I used to day trade this stock. That's how I found this stock, by day trading it. So we still have a hammerhead. This is a 5-minute. I don't like the 5-minute. Like I said a million times, I don't like the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so there's the 15-minute chart. We had a high. Let's mark out this bad boy. Bing, 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 bing. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Price, date, and range. So we go to the price, date, and range box. We go like this. We'll just bring it down here, and we'll just do a simple box right there. Bing. Go back up here. This is how you click out of it. Click out of it. Click out of it. So now we're clicked out of it. So now this is the range we want to work with. I'm gonna delete the other arrange bound box because it's a little confusing. What we want to do is I'm gonna delete this one. Wait, which one is that one? So can I just delete that one? Yeah, I can just delete that one. There it is. All right, so we're gonna work with this box here, with this price box here, and we're gonna work with anything above this blue line. And especially above 0.6249, that's what I've been saying for days, is pretty incredible, pretty amazing. I'm sure there's something I'm missing because unless they just decided to at 9, 10, 11 a.m. in New York, which is nobody does anything at 11 a.m. So this is highly unusual. 11 a.m. is usually like lunch. People are just like, so this is crazy. Let's take a look at level 2. We go to level 2 and we see what kind of buying and selling we have going on here. And if you don't know, if you're new at trading, you can just do this. This is what I do all the time. I cheat all the time. People are like, why do you use AI? Of course I use AI. Are you crazy? But why do you use AI? Because it tells me what's happening. So let's just let AI tell you what's happening because I'm still barely awake. So we had a high of the day of 65.60. I just said right before that candle burst through that I thought we were going to go to 65 cents. I called it. I called it. Join my Discord. Yeah, pay for my course. I got all these bangers. I'm gonna get on my watch list. No, never with me. I don't even care if you follow me anymore because it's just it's impossible to get the amount of followers I need to actually make any money posting. So I don't even care if you follow or subscribe or anything. All I care about is that you're polite and you're polite to everyone else. So a lot of selling happening. We got 2,065, tons of selling. So you got I'm getting auditions on my Gmail there. Tons of selling happening, 23,000 and 11,000. Lots of buying too. People are smart. See, People who buy 45,000 shares at 61.90, 10,000, 63, these are smart people because you buy when the price goes up and you sell when the price goes down. If you guys didn't know that, right? A lot of people are like a lot of people. I did it too. I did it myself. You know, when I didn't have a stop loss on August 26th and I started buying, I was buying the whole way down like an idiot. But you buy when the price goes up. You don't buy when the price goes down. It took me, years to learn that. And I still make that mistake. So it looks like price is stabilizing. So let's take another screenshot of this. So we have that, bing, and get out of here. We'll go back to the trading view chart, which is really easy to watch. Bing, 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 let's go, come on. Add to photos, and okay, what do we do? Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Okay, we'll take a look here, and my ChatGPT remembers my weekly chart because I just put it in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add to photos. And then I like to do this even though Yahoo New Finance is usually trash. It doesn't have the latest updates on anything. So, but it does have it can tell you very quickly what the mass volume for the day is, which is right here, 18 million. It just jumped from 7 million to 18 million. So that tells you someone just probably bought 11 million shares or so. I don't know. So here we are, we're at 63, 64, holding. This looks really good. I know these charts so well because I've been watching it since April. And when this happens, when you see this and then you see it stabilize, a lot of times it may even come all the way back down later. But when you start to see these big moves, it's about to explode. Okay, so we're in good shape. If you've invested in the stock you've been holding for a while, guess what? Looking good. We're looking really good right now. So we got 18 million in volume. I'm gonna give that a screenshot as well. And then we're gonna ask what my ChatGPT says. And ChatGPT is not right all the time, guys. I'm just giving it I just like to get an update, especially when I'm tired and I haven't had my second cup of coffee yet. I just like to let ChatGPT tell me what's happening. So send. And the good news is if you've been watching my channel, if you're watching anything I've been talking about, the stock has been doing really well. That podcast was super bullish, man. It explained everything. I went and looked at the patents and everything, their combination patents, combination therapies. Here's what it says. Ding. So, it gives me a stock to it. All right. So IXL volume spike this morning and strong momentum through midday shows buyers stepping in ahead of Monday's expected earnings. There are rumors pre-market. There's chatter about a possible conference call today, but nothing confirmed. If momentum holds, we could see a push back towards that 65 to 68 zone by the close. That was Tuesday's high. Watch for continued volume. Market makers may try to pin this under resistance, which I'm assuming now because we shot through the first resistance of 62.49. I'm assuming they're talking about 70 cents, but pressure's building. Buyers showed up this morning ahead of Monday's expected earnings. Talk of a possible call today, not confirmed. Volume stays high. Watch for a test of 65 to 68 range into the close. IXHL, boom, 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 and that's it. And I'm gonna let you guys go. And so here's our price. Here's that massive candle. And this is how I watch, and you can tell where price is going by making these price boxes, which I just did, right? So if it stays above this blue line here, which is half of that massive candle, we're looking good. We're looking like it's gonna either stabilize and go higher and try to make a move to 69 to break through Tuesday's high of the day, which you can see here, right? So that's what we need to do next. I want to try to zoom in on that massive green candle again, and there my chart just disappeared. Anyway, that's it for me today. I'm going to keep the video short. There's lots to talk about. I'm going to try to go live on YouTube now. Ciao for now. Peace, homies. Today is, Alexa, what day is it? I must have pulled the plug on Alexa. Anyway, I think it's Tuesday. It's Friday, September 26th. Bye, guys.